Hi guys, Dan's Dollars here. We are back with another close-up coins video. In this video, there'll be 10 more commemorative 50p coins for you to try and figure out what they are. I haven't been very nice this time. I want to try and make sure that no one gets all 10 right, but you're all too good, so you probably will get them all right. But I am trying to trick you along the way. I'm going to go through and talk through the first 10 together, then they are going to be on loop a couple of times, so hopefully you can have that little bit of time without me probably annoying you in the background to try and figure them out. Once you're happy with your answers, please do comment 1 to 10 in the comment section below next to the corresponding coins. I'll give you until the end of the week. The answers will be up at lunchtime on Sunday to get those comments in. Get your answers in, and again, we'll see if anyone has managed to get all 10 correct. The answers from the previous close-up coins went up just before this video, so definitely do head over, see if you got them all right. And again, you guys really are amazing at knowing your commemorative coins. That has to be said. So best of luck then. Let's see if you can get all 10 correct this week. The next video is going to be a coin review, and then we'll be back to those coin hunts and hopefully getting some more coins into the third book we're doing together. Hope you all haven't had too bad a day at work, only one more day away from the weekend, and as always guys, thanks for watching.